Today I'm going to show you how to create this transparent effect in Photoshop. We'll start by bringing in the background image we will use, and we will try and make it blur so that the transparent effect will become more visible. Go to the blur gallery and choose Gaussian blur. Now that we have the image of the orange we are using, I want you to follow the necessary steps and process. Hide the first layer and let's work on the copied layer. Press Ctrl L and follow the process. Create a layer mask and choose the hand-drawn brush to clean some part of this transparent orange. Hold the Alt key and choose the layer mask and copy it into the second orange. Then press Ctrl I to invert. Hold the Shift button and adjust this image.